Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Tapping Flamingo, and today I'm going to show you how I made this mermaid necklace. So the things that you're going to need for this project is a ruler and some round nose pliers. I've got two kinds of wire cutters, and I'll talk to you about that in a little bit, regular ones and then memory wire cutters. And I've got two flat nose pliers. And then I am using this really fine, dainty Rollo chain. And then I'm going to use these charm holders. Of course, you need your charm. Okay, I'm going to make two of these necklaces, so that's why I need two of those. And let's see what else. Oh, we need a lobster claw clasp. You want to make sure that it's working, and it is. And then a couple of jump rings. Now, depending on the size chain you're using, will determine your jump ring. You want to make sure that this fits into the little holes there. So you're going to need two jump rings. So the first thing I did, and I used two of my flat nose pliers, and I opened up a jump ring and put it onto the chain along with the lobster, closed the jump ring up, and then I put the other jump ring on to the lobster, like, you know, it's a clasp. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is get my ruler out, and I'm going to measure how long I want this. Now, this particular one is for me. So I think I want to do, I'm trying to think if I want to do 16 or a 17 inch. I think I want a 16 inch. This hangs down a little bit. This particular one here I did is an 18 inch. I've got a really tiny neck, and so those hang down really low on me. So that's why I'm going shorter. And so I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to measure. This is a 6-inch ruler, so we have there 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 here. So I'm going to cut it. This is a stainless steel chain, so that's why I'm not using my regular wire cutters. I'm using memory wire cutters to cut this. Stainless steel is really, really tough, and you don't want to ruin your good wire cutters. All right, now I want to open this up. I'm going to use two pliers to do that. Let me set this aside because I need to make this first. And I'm going to need another jump ring. I'm going to open this up. And put that on there. Whoops. And that on there. Close it up. I want to make sure it's closed all the way. And then the end of this, I'm just going to feed on the pendant. Then I'm going to put the opened jump ring on the other end and close it up. And we are all finished. This is a really easy project. And you don't necessarily have to have one of these charm holders. You could just hang the whatever charm you have on there with a jump ring. This just kind of gives it a little bit more interest. Let me put this on for you so you can see what it looks like on. All right, let me take this one off. And we'll put this one on. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. Yep, perfect length for me. If I wear something, that has a little scoop neck, it fits right in the middle there. It's exactly how I like it. All right, so I've got one more, possibly two more to make. And there they are. I got them all made. These are actually going to be given to my sisters and my mom. And then, of course, I have one. And we are actually getting ready to celebrate Mother's Day with my mom. Last few years, we've taken a little beach trip, which is just like 12 miles from here. But we've rented a little Airbnb and spent a long weekend on the beach just celebrating our mom and celebrating us being moms. And I thought this might be a little fun thing to give as a gift to them. They're stainless steel. I'm kind of wondering if they're going to hold up to the ocean air and beach water. I actually plan on wearing mine like the whole time I'm there. I'm going to do some experimenting. I read a little bit somewhere where stainless steel is a good metal to choose if you want to wear something all the time. So we'll see. Maybe I'll do an updated video on that when I get back. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. And happy Mother's Day. Bye-bye.